Hey, good morning, everyone. Welcome to the today's STYAVA community event. And today we will be jumping into productivity with Copilot. And today we have joining Zani, who is a Microsoft MVP and active, in knowledge sharing person who is around the communities. And he's been with us for a while, and he always comes back and shares his knowledge with everybody. And we are happy to have him again in the community. And he'll be sharing more about Copilot and the productivity you can gain through the Copilot. And before we get into the session, I just wanted to mention that the session is recorded. No need to record on your end, and there is certificate of participation, and that will be provided at the end of the session. Okay, just keep eye on it, and I'll also share links to our community and resources that will help you in the chat box. So keep an eye in the chat box once a while, and for your certificate link as well. Okay, that's it all from my end. We can We're already a bit late. We can just directly jump into the session. Over to you, Zani.
Thank you, Suraj. First, I want to share my PowerPoint. Suraj, can you see my screen?
Yes, we can see it.
Thank you. Good morning, good evening, and this good afternoon. This I'm Zar Ni Tyn. I'm from Myanmar. Today, I want to share with or without Copilot. This is very important today for our Microsoft user and Microsoft community, and even AI community and AI user is very important. This first I want to share. This is a very important item. This has Microsoft Copilot failed? This is a very important question. Today our this live Microsoft user and Microsoft learner is a very important this question. Yeah, I want to show you the evidence and this Microsoft Copilot is ongoing our community, and the portability and gaps, the relevance. This is a very important. I drive type this Microsoft Copilot environment and Microsoft Copilot products, and our in Microsoft learner and Microsoft users and Microsoft organizations a very important question, and this is very hard to face this our life journey. Okay, I want to show you this is this is our my slide, and I want to say this is in the this 21st century. Those who don't and embrace technology and AI, you can risk this is being left behind. This is a very important. If you like the AI or not, and if you like Copilot or not, this is not this is our charting. This is art age of the AI journey. This is a very important, and I want to show you the how to face our challenge, and how to face our this is a difficult of the Copilot situation. Okay, I want to show step by step so this today our event. Okay, and this is eight time with the STYAVA. This is I my best friend is Suraj. Yes, I thank you so much, Suraj, and this organization. And then also I thank you so much to thank you so much to attendees. This is very important for being part of this event, and heartfelt thanks to every organizer for making it happen. This is important of our my life. This is the 8 time with this is STYAVA, and my name is Zar Ni Tyn. This is I am using the Facebook, LinkedIn, and I'm using I have a check YouTube channel. I'm the also MCT. MCT is you know that's a Microsoft Certified Trainer since 2014. Is 11 years. This our MCT career. And also this I'm also this MVP. You know the MVP is the Microsoft most valuable professional since 2019. This is a sixth time of MVP live. I'm so excited. You know, MVP is there's a 1 year plan. MVP announced this coming July is our MVP annual announced. This is a very excited, and you can contact. This is my phone number. My phone number is the Myanmar phone line. You can use this. I have a Viber, and I'm using the social media. You can contact free this our my channel. Okay, thank you so much. And today our session agenda is the sixth item. First is evolution of the artificial intelligence. I am using the evolution. You know, evolution and revolution is a different. Evolution means is refer to step by step progressing. This is the evolution, and the revolution is the suddenly change. This is a different. Okay, and I think some of the AI technology and AI tech are revolution, and some of the AI tech are evolution. When I'm focused to this event, it is the evolution of the AI. Okay, such as Copilot, ChatGPT. Item is I think is a revolution. Okay, this is different of the revolution and evolution. Okay, this is the first item. Second is the introduction to Microsoft Copilot. I think I have many sections. What is Copilot? How to use Copilot? How to learn Copilot? I have many sections. If you want to learn, you can download in the STYAVA YouTube channel. You can see this is a Copilot. Okay, but today's session is the Microsoft Copilot. Introduced to the Microsoft Copilot is the second item. Third is workflow without Microsoft Copilot. This is a traditional way. In the you know the Microsoft is the in 1975 is the Microsoft start launched to the Microsoft. It is 15 years this Microsoft journey. And fourth is working with Microsoft Copilot. This is a full item, full agenda. And the fifth is comparison analyzing with Microsoft. This is without Microsoft Copilot. Final application for future work environment. This is a very important this our session. I have a six item agenda. Okay, first I want to evolution of artificial intelligence. This is the first agenda. And you know, is today at called age of AI. If you ask anybody, you know this is a yes question. Is this answer is of everybody is can say the yes. Okay, and you can see 1950 conceptual. This is a beginning. Alan Turing is the earliest AI theory, but the term AI was coined by the John. This is a joint McCarthy is in 1956, not by the Alan Turing. Is that this coin of the AI terms? No, this is only the Alan Turing is early AI theory. No, it's not the terms. Okay, but this Alan Turing is the father of AI. And Turing asks everybody, and can machine things? This is a very important question. And then our people try the what is AI and the how to work AI. How to use AI? This is Alan Turing is the father of the AI. Okay, and 2010 practically essentially this is a deep learning. It's a big. We have the big data. This is a very important of the AI journey. And the 2020, the ChatGPT generation AI. This is mainstream boom. This is AI journey is today AI journey. Okay, this is Alan Turing. Alan Turing is this famous question is the computer would decide to call intelligent if it could deceit and a human in the believing that it was a human. It is a very important. If the computer is the disease mean is the this tricks. Yeah, did you know the tricks? This is a computer can tricks. This is a human is believing this is a human is a computer is a desires of human. This is an artificial intelligence studying the AI theory by the Alan Turing. Okay, and then global AI user overview 2024. You know the currently AI user is over 1 billion people use AI service monthly. This is a very important item. But you know the most of the people is the face many difficulty situation in our world, and this is a country condition, and the economic condition, and the disaster condition. This is a very difficult in our world, and you know what people most of the people are facing. Yeah, okay. And but this is AI technology is an ongoing process, and mainly active user only ChatGPT, you know the 600 million this is per day, yeah, very sorry, per month. Yeah, this is a very big amount of the AI user. And the second is the key AI service. Yes, you know the generative AI, ChatGPT, Gemini, you know that this is generated AI, also the Microsoft Copilot. If you want to use image AI, you can use the Dell E. This is a Mid Journey. This is a very famous image AI. And if you want to use a productivity sector, is this Grammarly and Notion AI. This is a very popular AI. And the third is AI adoption is growing faster than any tech in history. This is a very important. You know this our computer studying is in 1914. This is our computer studying the date, and in 1970 is our now what this technology is to start is 1970. And this is internet studying is 2000, and 2010 is internet studying. There's AI studying is a very long history. Okay, and but there's a booming as item is the 2020 is the AI is the very huge amount of the user. You can search, you can learn. Source is the OpenAI, Google, and the Business Insider 2024 and 2015. Yes, this is a very important this document. Most of the people are using AI, but this most of the people don't. This how to walk AI the behind their this a camel mode. You know the this is a very important. AI is a very our life daily life is using the uh, yeah, journey. Okay, this is the first my this is agenda. Second agenda is the introduction to Microsoft Copilot. Most of the people know what is Copilot, how to use Copilot, but our session is a focus is the Microsoft Copilot. So I want to share that this is a very important session. Important. This is an introduction to the Microsoft Copilot. Okay. What is Microsoft Copilot? It means AI technology utilities, and the second is the content generation assistant, and third is the personalized support. And then you can see the AI technology utility. Microsoft Copilot leverage, and you know the this is advantage AI technology to enhance productivity and streamline. This is a very important. Our this is a traditional way. Microsoft Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Team, and this is a very important. I want to. This is a daily using item. It can Microsoft Copilot help the streamline text for the user. This is the first things. Second thing is content generation. I want to show you the demo. The next slide. This is very important. Content the generation assistant. It assists and assists user in generating high quality, yeah, high quality content quickly and efficiency is a very important. This more important is the saving time is an effort. This is a content generation assistant. Final this what is Copilot? Copilot is the personalizing support. Copilot learns from user behavior to provide customized assistant, improving your experience over time. This is by personal support. Microsoft can the personal support. This is a very important. And then you can see this is a core feature and functionality. It is a full item. First item is intelligent document drawing. If you want to use this, if you use the Microsoft Word, and then you can draft this document drawing. Microsoft Copilot offer intelligent document drawing, helping user create a professional document and the more efficient and accuracy. This is in your life, daily life, Microsoft Word, Excel. This is very important. Second is in your, if you use the Microsoft Excel, Microsoft Excel can detail insight in Excel. Yeah, with Copilot, user can gain this variable detailed insight in Excel, making this is a data analyze quicker and more efficient. This is effective. Yeah. Third is if you most of the people using the daily life in the Microsoft team. Microsoft team is our community and hub of the communication. You can just in the meeting, and you can check, you can use that. If you there's a Microsoft team, Microsoft Copilot can summarize meeting in team. This is a very important, and is a saving time, ensuring that all participants are informed and aligns on key outcome. This is a third. And the final text is the automation. What is automation? Automation is the reduce of the repeat your daily work, and this is automation is a very useful our life career and our safe time saving. Yeah. And the text automation features streamlined workflow, allowing user to focus on more important. This text very important. Okay, this is a core feature in the functionality in Microsoft Copilot. Final, I want to tell this is an integration of Microsoft 365. This is a 3 item. The first is the streamlined application integration, and second is an enhanced portability, and third is the cohesion working environment. And this is very important. And then you can see this Copilot integrated with Microsoft 365 as an application. It means the Microsoft Word, Excel, PowerPoint, and so on, and allowing user to switch. Yes, effortlessly. This is very important. This is this policy is that you can use the easy time, and you can affordable. This is a very important between tools enhancing workflow efficient. This is the first thing. Second is this is a enhanced portability, and you can with Microsoft Copilot user can maximize this portability by leveraging various tools. Yeah, this is across platform. Final, cohesion is the collaboration. Yeah, collaboration, you can see the collaboration, the working environment, integrating the foster is the cohesion working environment, while the Microsoft this is a very important. This is a better life and a better future. Okay, I want to show you the demo. First, you can go to the Google, and then you can search Copilot free, Copilot Pro, and Copilot Enterprise. This is the 3 item. Okay, and I want to show you that you can click the image, and then you can see this is a Microsoft Copilot license, and then you can see this is the 3 item. First is Copilot free. Copilot free, you can, if you are using the Microsoft Windows 11 or Microsoft Edge browser, and you can use the Copilot free. Copilot free can the foundation capability. This is commercial data protection. This Copilot free is individually for individual item. Second, if you want to use Copilot Pro, you must pay the $20 per month, and you can use the Copilot Word, Excel, PowerPoint, and Outlook. This is your daily life program. Okay, this call me the license is a Copilot Pro. This is a second things, and you can see that this is for individually item is the 2 item. Yeah. Final, this is for organization. Copilot for Microsoft 365. This is you must pay the $300, $30 per this is per month, and you can use this item. This is a 3 item, free Copilot Pro and Microsoft 365 Copilot for Microsoft 365. First, I want to focus. Today, my session is a focus for Copilot for Microsoft 365, not free, and not also this is a Copilot Pro. This is a second. This is a first. I mean the focus is the Copilot for Microsoft 365. Okay, this is a Microsoft 365 Copilot license. Okay, and then I want to tell about Microsoft Copilot Pro. If you want to use Copilot Pro, you can search. This is a Copilot Pro. Copilot Pro is $20 per user per month, and then the requirement. This is only the you have the personal mail. It means the Hotmail, Outlook. Even you can use the Gmail. Yeah, if you have only the Gmail account, and you can purchase. This is a Copilot Pro. A Copilot Pro can Gmail can use Copilot Pro. Okay, but first you think this is not Gmail is a Copilot Microsoft own mail, and you can first you need to Gmail to link Microsoft account. This is a very easy, and if you use this step, and you can purchase by Gmail. Yeah, this is a Copilot Pro. Copilot Pro can you can see Copilot Pro can you can use the Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Outlook, and this is a very easy Copilot Pro. Okay, and this is Copilot Pro, and the final I want to show you the this is Microsoft 365. First, I want to say thank you so much our my best friends Kotelin and this ATJ. Yeah, ATJ. This is our partner. This organization support today our my session license Microsoft 365 Copilot license support ATJ. Thank you so much ATJ teams. Okay, and this is my license account, and you can see this. I'm using the M365 Copilot, and you can see that this is our M365 apps, and you can see this is Outlook, OneDrive, Word, Excel, PowerPoint. You can see the Microsoft 365 apps. Okay, first I want to just tell this is a very important things. If you want to use Microsoft 365 Copilot in Microsoft 365, this first you need to two license. First license is the base license. It means if you using the Microsoft 365 E5, E3 or business base license, is very important. This is a base license, and then you can additional this Microsoft 365 Copilot. This is very important. Okay, you need to two license. First license is the base license, and second license is the additional license. Okay, this is very clear. Okay, first you need to know the Microsoft. If you want to use Microsoft 365 Copilot, this is a very important. This is OneDrive is a very important item, because Microsoft is stored in the this is a cloud item. It is stored the Copilot. Yeah, I want to show this is important. If you want to use this is Microsoft Word. You know the Microsoft Word. You can download and install your machine. Okay, and if you're using the laptop, if you use the desktop, you can download and install your this is a desktop application. But I'm showing the web application, and then this is a Microsoft Word, and then I want to show the create black document. This is my account. Okay, and this is in our Microsoft Word. if you check your lesson have the Microsoft Copilot not, you can see this icon. This is a Copilot icon, and is your Microsoft Word. You can check this icon. Okay, if you see this Copilot icon, this is you have the Microsoft Copilot lesson. Okay, and then you can see this is what do you want to Copilot or drop, and you can click, and then you can see this is attach reference your content, and then you can click this is your item. This item is the store in the Microsoft OneDrive. This is a very important. Yeah, if you don't your base license, you can't use the Microsoft Copilot. Microsoft Copilot license is the not only this item. It is there's a corporate and the combined is the base license. Okay, it means that you need to have the Microsoft OneDrive. Microsoft OneDrive is the base of the Microsoft Copilot. Microsoft Copilot 365. Okay, this is a very important. Okay, this is what is Microsoft 365. So Microsoft Copilot. Microsoft Copilot is the three type. First is the free, second is the Microsoft Pro, and the final is the Microsoft 365. Copilot for Microsoft 365 is a base base knowledge. But more than Microsoft is the Copilot for sale, Copilot for education, Copilot for marketing. This is a many license. Microsoft have the this is I think it's a $50 per month. This is a Copilot C, Copilot for C, Copilot for marketing. This is a very big amount. I think this is a very difficultly user for Microsoft Copilot. I think Microsoft is adjust, and Microsoft is a challenge. And this it's a big amount. Okay, this is a Microsoft point of view. Okay, and then I want to back to my PowerPoint. Okay, this is a second agenda, and third agenda is a workflow with Microsoft Copilot. This is a very traditional way, and I think you know the most of the people know the Microsoft in 1975 is the start for Microsoft launch. Bill Gates the start in 1975, and the Microsoft launch Microsoft Windows in the I think in 1980 is the Microsoft Windows start point, and I think then 1990 in the Microsoft start the Microsoft Office. Yeah, Microsoft Office start 1990, and then this is a traditional way. This is a Microsoft Office. This is this Office 95, Office 98. And 98 2000 and Office 2003. This is a very famous version of the Office. Okay, and if you use the Microsoft Office without the Microsoft Copilot, and then you can see this is a traditional method of the managing text. This is the full item. I want to focus the manual text management, and before AI text very will often the manage manually, reserving the slower of process and inefficiency across team. This is a fast thing. A second is the inefficiency of the list, relying the slowly. This is a list and can lead to the overlooking text and decrease productivity over time. This is a time is a very most valuable our life. This is a time is a very important in our life. And the second third is the challenge of the email communication. You know the every organization daily lives use the email and communication with the email. Email is this is the legal communication. You know the challenge of the email communication. Email for text management can become. This is a very important. Without the Copilot, email as a text is become the overheading. This is causing important text to get lost in the image. It means if you want to search your important mail item with your this is a partner or your friend, you can easy do you search the in your email. Microsoft Copilot can very easy to this is it mean it's called the e-discovery. Yeah, you know the e-discovery. It's this base of the AI technology. And final is the time consumption is meeting. Yeah, a meeting quite important, can take valuable time that could be the spent on the text the completion. This is a very important, and this is a traditional way of the without Microsoft Copilot. And second thing is the challenge is the collaboration and efficient. You know that this is a three item. First is a fragment communication. This is a term face the agreement communication. This is leading to the misunderstanding. Yeah, misunderstanding in efficient. This is in your work. And second thing is a lack of the real time. You know the focus my slide. This is a time is a very important. A real time inside. Without real time is a team. This making the decision based on the outdate information. This is a very traditional way is a very slow than the Microsoft Copilot. This is a without Microsoft Copilot facing this session, and that is the collaboration challenge. You know, Microsoft Copilot can the collaboration tools and very easy to e-discovery, and you can see that this is a automation. This is a collaboration challenge. This is very important. Collaboration is the hidden is the when team can't this is effective share idea and result leading to discuss to discrete this is a productivity. This is a challenge in the collaboration and efficiency. Final, this is a time management and manual processing. This is a three item. First is the challenge of the time management. Time management can difficult without automated. You mean the automated tools leading an inefficiency in the text comprehension is a priority. Yeah, prioritization. Second is the error is a manual process. Final is the impact on deadline. Most of the people know this is our quarterly, monthly, yearly. Yeah, this is our focus of the deadline. Microsoft Copilot can drive. It is save your time and your workflow. This is very important. And impact of the deadline is this traditional way is infected. This is the case of the manual process and can handle this team ability to match important of the deadline and goal. This is a chain of the Microsoft. This organization goal and organization. This is progressing. Yeah, and this is without Copilot session. This is my third agenda. And the fourth agenda is the working with Microsoft Copilot. This I think in 2022 this is a Microsoft launch Microsoft Copilot. It's a starting launch period, and I think the 2023 is the Microsoft launching is Microsoft 365 Copilot. This is a period of the Microsoft Copilot. Working with Microsoft Copilot is the first the enhancing productivity with AI assistant. This is three things. First is the faster test. The complement. This is AI assistant helps user complete text in the your working time and your predicting of the time. This is enhancing overall efficient and workflow. This is the first thing. Second thing is a higher accuracy. Yes, it's a high accuracy. It means Microsoft AI Copilot is this is likelihood of the errors this is leading of the actually this is better quality outcome. This is a higher accuracy. As a final is the minimize repetition. It means it's a automation. Yeah, it is your AI reduce the bundle of the repetitive text. Is the repeat text. It's the AI reducing, allowing user to focus more on the strategies and the creative. This is their work. This is enhancing productivity with the AI assistant. This is a very important. Second thing is the real-time collaboration and communication. You know this is a three item. Enhance teamwork. If you use using the Microsoft Team, you can see the web and work. This is a two item. I want to show you the demo next session, and then you can see that this is a Microsoft Team include the work and web, and this is a Copilot enhanced team by providing real-time insight and the suggestion, making collaboration for more effective. This is a first. And second is the real-time insight. Real-time insight for the Copilot during the meeting, allow the better the decision making and improve communication. This is a real-time insight finally is the document editing support. Yeah, this is a Copilot support the document editing by providing suggestion, and has this is a clearly clarify this is a communication. Okay, I want to show you the demo. First, if you launch Microsoft Copilot, you need to do your license. Microsoft Copilot license is the first need. Second is the where link where document you can do the practice, and yeah. Okay, I want to show you the this link. You can go to the MS1004, yeah, GitHub. Okay, and you can click MS1004 is Microsoft Learning this Empower Workflow Copilot use case. Okay, you can click this link, and then this is a GitHub, Microsoft GitHub, and then you can see this is an instruction, and then you can click the lab. This is 1 to 8 your exercise lesson, and then you can see this is a Empower Workflow Copilot. This is a sales, IT, marketing, finance, HR, operation. Exactly, this is a H item, and then you can click MSM01, and then you can see this is create a speech. Yeah, and you can click this is a Microsoft Word, and you can read this is create a speech using Microsoft 365 Copilot in Word. Yeah, in Word. I want to show this demo, and then you can see you can read this item, and then you can download this Microsoft Word digital transformation summary. This is a Microsoft Word file, and then you can open you need to open the Microsoft Word, and you can see in Microsoft Word, open the Microsoft Word. Fifth is drop the Copilot, write a speech for the upcoming. This is a digital transformation, and I want to show you the demo. I am in the Microsoft Word. This is a Microsoft Word, and then I want to show you the demo. I can copy this link, and then what do you want to Copilot to drop? You need to paste, and then you need to attach your file, and you can split this file. This is a digital transformation summary, and you can download Microsoft GitHub. Okay, and you can click, and then you need to generate. Okay, Microsoft Copilot generate this file, and then you can see this is a Microsoft Copilot icon, and this is Microsoft Word in the Microsoft Word. And then go back to GitHub. First you need you can rewrite. This is a bullet in the includer, and you can rewrite the introduction to the second. Okay, tone is the professional tone. Okay, I want to show you the demo, and then I copy this link, and then go to the Microsoft Word, and you can see this is a Microsoft Copilot icon, and the click, and then you can see this icon. Microsoft Copilot have this is a professional tone. Yeah, professional tone. If you want to keep it, or if you want to this is a recycle, discard it if you want to use. Okay, and then if you want to keep it, you can keep it. Okay, and then second, you can see as a Copilot will rewrite select the text, rewrite the Copilot, and then you can see this is a very easy. If you want to rewrite this paragraph, you can select this paragraph, and then you can click the Copilot icon, and then you can auto rewrite. Okay, and Microsoft can driving the icon, and then you can if you want to use the insert below, and if you want to this is replace, if you want to regenerate, this Microsoft Copilot is very easy, and in Microsoft Word. Okay, this is one things. And the second, I want to show you the in Microsoft PowerPoint. Okay, create a slide presentation. Yeah, this is create a slide presentation use a Microsoft 365 in PowerPoint. Okay, and then if you are using the Microsoft PowerPoint Copilot and Microsoft PowerPoint very easily. Yeah. You can see this is Microsoft Copilot PowerPoint, and then you can see Microsoft can help create a presentation, and second is create a presentation with file, and third is add a slide, and finally is the Ask Copilot. Okay, and if you want to create the above your presentation, okay, and then you can click the create a presentation, and you can write the describe the presentation if you want to. Okay, I want to use the Copilot with or without Copilot. Copilot PowerPoint can drop the this is item PowerPoint, very easy and very useful. And you can see this is a with or without Copilot, introduction to Copilot, benefit of the using Copilot. This is 24 slide and the maximum is the 40 slide. Okay, and then if you want to generate the slide, you can click the generate. Okay, this is first. Second, I want to show you the create a presentation with file. Yeah, it means if this item if you need to the Microsoft this PowerPoint create a presentation with file. It file means is you must do in your OneDrive account. This is a very important. Yeah, and if you store your own machine or your laptop or your tablet or your this is a desktop, your own machine, your hard disk, if you can't use this file. Okay, this is a very important. You must need to store your own OneDrive. Yeah, this is a very important. And create a presentation with file, and then you can see if you see this item, and then you can see the digital transformation, the transformation summary, document 1, document 2. This is you store your OneDrive. It means this OneDrive means is your Microsoft 365 Copilot license. Is it that is a OneDrive account. You can click the OneDrive, and then you can see this is a OneDrive file, your my file, and then you can see that this is your OneDrive account, and then you must store this OneDrive. This is a very important. Yeah, okay, and then you can click the file, and then you can reference digital transformation, and then you can generate this file. Okay, this Microsoft Copilot can generate this our file. You can see this is a picture, and you can click this link. Okay, and then I want to show you other item, and then you can see if you want to use this, you can see 15. This is a speaker introduction to presentation on the digital transformation. The presenter will summarize the main result. Yeah, if you want to use this situation and this, if you want to use this code, and you can click the copy, and then I want to show this Microsoft Copilot, and then you can click presentation. Message, and then you can click the paste the speaker, and then you can click Microsoft can generate it might as while this mean that I can help you the sum as this is a you can see this is a footnote. Yeah, one so every select this is a you can Microsoft add the footnote. You can see this footnote is very useful, and you can click the other item, and you can see that this is a footnote. It is very important. Okay, this is a footnote. This is the second thing. In the Microsoft Word, Excel, I want to show you the final demo is a team. You can see this is our Microsoft team, and you can click the check. Yeah, you can click the check. This is a check mean is it means a Microsoft team in the check meeting, and then you can click the Copilot icon, and you can see the two item. First is the web, and second is the walk. This is a different. Yeah. What's different of the walk and web? This is walk in the. This is a very important. This is walk item is the your in your organization of Microsoft 365 Copilot. Yeah, and then you can see get calendar information. Check this cache about the first. Understand the meeting and the stay informed. You can search in your organization this is information, and it is a work information. Okay, second is the web. It means web mean is the your Microsoft Copilot are using the your website, Google and other internet using this is a web connection. This is a different web and work. Yeah, this is a very easy and very useful. Okay, I want to go back our my PowerPoint. Okay, this is a comprehensive analyze with or without Microsoft Copilot. This is a very important. A probability comparison is a with or without Microsoft 365 Copilot. You know the Microsoft 365 user is a daily user Outlook, Word, Excel, Team, Outlook, and this is a very useful in our life. If you are using the Outlook without or with, this is a different. If you are using the without Copilot, you have a manually read, summarize, and respond to email. High time. This is a concession for the import. This is a without Copilot. If you want to use a Copilot, Copilot can summarize the long thread. This is a suggest. You can see that the 50. This is email handling. This is a very important. Saving the 50. Yeah, this is a very this is the appreciate this is a time. Okay, and the second is a document is in your Microsoft Word. If you are not using the Microsoft without Copilot, start the this is a very this is a this the time is a I know that this time is a very important in our life. I start with the thread or user on template. This is a text time to format or the infine content. This is a Microsoft Word. And if you are using the Microsoft Copilot in the Microsoft Word. Copilot can this is I have the demo in your Microsoft Word. The Microsoft Copilot can rewrite the suggestion, adjust the tone if you want to use the friendly or the professionally. If you want to use the what tone do you want to use? Microsoft can adjust, and Microsoft can this change your tone. Okay, that is Excel. You know the most of the people is the analyze of the in Excel. It's just like the Power BI and the other Excel is can the the trading, manufacture. This is very important. If you don't use the Microsoft Copilot without the Copilot, require manual format input. It is the pivot table is a creation. This is Excel, right? Then if you use the Microsoft Copilot is the data build, very easy. Then this is a different of the Copilot, and without Copilot, this is very important. And then team, and this is a text management, priority, and time to insight. This is a without and Copilot. You can search and you can learn. This is very important, without and with Copilot. Okay, and then this is my final agenda. This agenda is implication this of future work environment, and you can see this drawing of the AI tool is the working important of the AI integration. In the AI tools into the workflow is in the essential for enhancing productivity. This is adopting of the AI tool in the workplace. And there's three things. First is the importance of the AI integration. Second is the comprehensive. This is advantage, and that is a future preparation. This is a very important. Okay, potential as challenging and consideration. You need to think as staff training, data security, navigation of the consideration. This is a very important. If you are not your staff, you are in only the personal using. You must need to learn your self learning is a very important. Yeah, and then this is very important today our section, Microsoft Copilot success or challenge. And this is some of the people say this is Microsoft Copilot is a success. Some of the people say it's a Microsoft Copilot. First, I show that has Microsoft Copilot failed. This is our today question. Yeah, and this is my document. First is worldwide enterprise adoption. 70% of the this is for June's 500 companies are using Copilot. Yeah, you can watch the Satya Nadella. You can this interview for many sector as Elon Musk and other famous AI famous. This is actor is the Microsoft 50 anniversary report. This is a first. Second is the improved portability. TAL insurance reduce 6 hour weeks per employee using the Copilot. This is the evidence of the TAL the insurance reduced. Yeah, this is a second. This is Microsoft success story. And the third is the data driving usage. Microsoft 365 data center none of the Copilot usage inside. This is a third success. And then also Microsoft challenge to in over the wall. First, max user perception is only 3.3% of the AI leader find the Copilot truly valuable. It announced of the gather. This is a research. This is a gather point of view. And second is a limited capability compared to ChatGPT. The most of the people are using the ChatGPT. I will show you the ChatGPT 600 millions per month in 2024. This is ChatGPT is most people are using, but not Microsoft is very little amount. And you can see user side list. This is a sub or this is a UI. This is the final is the low engagement. A report of poor user adoption and frustrating. This is the very frustrating of the Microsoft Copilot because we are trying the hard and Microsoft and but I'm also MCT and maybe I'm not a Microsoft full-time employee, but also I love Microsoft and I like Microsoft. This is a product, and I'm the crazy of the Microsoft, one of the crazy of Microsoft. Okay, and the consortium that is a Microsoft Copilot is a gaining. This enlarged. This is a the enterprising but face adoption and performance. This is humble. This is the ongoing improving essential for the long time session. This is a Microsoft Copilot is a success of challenge. Okay, and this is the art of the AI embrace it or belief. It is the behind. Yeah, risks being left behind. This is first we are now the living the art of the AI AI art. You know that some people ambitious in the AI or the technology, and some of the people don't like this AI and the technology. And however, regardless of the personal preference, AI is becoming essential part of our life. Yeah, whether you like or not, you must learn AI. You must use AI. You must adopt to it. This is very important in our daily life. Okay. Final, I want to this section is a final slide. This is a Microsoft Copilot key. If you want to learn, if you want to adopt your organization, you need to five pillar. First is understand. This is a very important. Understand the basic of the AI and application. This is the first step. Second step, you explore Copilot feature in Microsoft product. What is a different with or without Copilot? And this if you are the if you are the boss, or you are the AI, there's a leader, you consideration as a, if you are this Copilot can how to drive your organization, how to progress your organization is very important. And that is a person, this is a participant in participant in training session. It's, most of my student learn is a Microsoft Copilot is a very useful, but they can't buy the Microsoft Copilot license. There's a very higher your this is a amount. Yeah, this is a Microsoft Copilot facing this item. The participant in the this is the third item, third step. The fourth step is the practice. Practice using Microsoft Copilot in real world scenario. This is a final. You must still update and with the latest AI adventure. This is an advantage. This is very important. Okay. Thank you so much. Yeah, thank you so much. I want to say again, thank you so much to every attendees for being a part of this event. And then also, I want to help. This is the heartfelt. This is to thanks to every organization. My best friend, this is Suraj and Sayati. This is organization for making it happen. Okay, thank you, Suraj. I want to this. I want come to Microsoft team. Question and answer. Okay, Van Deer. Okay, Van Deer.
I think there was no questions during the sessions.
Yeah.
I can see someone have raised his hand. If you have a question, feel free to drop it in the chat box so we can answer the question. And thank you, Zani, for joining as well, and always coming back to the community and sharing your knowledge. Really appreciate that. And also, everybody has joined. Thank you as well. I have shared your certificate link. Feel free to fill it out, and you should be getting it after 2 hours. Okay. Make sure you fill out the email correctly and also your name correctly. Uh, also, I think that's pretty much it for the day. Thank you everyone for joining again. Thank you, Zani, and have a great weekend.
Thank you so much.